Here you go, y'all. From Storm Central, we're in tornado watches. Can't tell if I can see rain straight back through there. They say it's going to be blinding rain. That's what they just said, blinding rain. You won't be able to drive in it, so I think I'm going to stay in tonight, which I think it's supposed to hit probably about early in the morning, between midnight or something. They're severe. I can't believe it's any more severe than this. I couldn't imagine trying to fish in something like this. You could probably cast with the wind a country mile. There's rain back in that cloud right there. There's rain back in there. You can see it coming down. Auntie M, it's a twister. Some nasty looking clouds, eh? Y'all can hear the wind blowing. Anyway, it's coming in from the west, which is the way I'm facing. Gulf Coast. Or actually, I guess it's coming out of the kind of the northwest. But anyway, bring you some late night severe thunderstorms, some lightning. I feel like Shayna, she does some great clouds and weather videos. Crazy stuff, y'all.